Today we're having some fun on the Blaze Powerburner. And to show you what this thing can do, we're going to do an Asian shrimp boil, then we're going to turn that into a delicious stir fry. Let's get cooking. Okay, I've got all my ingredients here for our boil. I think this will be a nice change of pace from our typical down south boil. While I bring this 20-quart pot up to a boil, I like to go ahead and add everything but the shrimp so that the flavors have a chance to meld. First off, I've got some minced garlic. We'll bring a little heat with some crushed red pepper. Next, I have some thinly sliced ginger. Now we'll add some large chopped green onion. Those ends hold a lot of flavor, so feel free to use those as well. Next up, a few bay leaves. Then I'll add some kosher salt, followed by some freshly ground black pepper. Now I'll add some sugar to balance out the heat. And of course, soy sauce. Being a staple in Asian dishes, it's key to our boil. Lastly, I'll squeeze my lemon juice. The rinds pack good flavor as well, so don't forget to toss those in. This is when you'll be happy to have a heavy-duty power burner to cut down on the time it takes to bring this amount of water to a boil. Now that we have reached a rolling boil, it's time to add the shrimp. I seasoned these with a Chinese 5-spice blend. You'll want to keep the burner set to high heat so that you come back up to a boil quickly. It might be a good idea to set a timer. They only need to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once boiling, go ahead and cut the heat off. Besides cooking time, a telltale sign that the shrimp are done is that they will float up to the top of the pot. These are smelling incredible. I'll just set them on the plate to cool while we get ready for the stir fry. Alright, here's everything we need for the wok. We'll start by mixing together the coating for the vegetables. This comes together quick with a little cornstarch, some minced garlic, a little fresh ginger, and finish it off with half of the sesame seed and vegetable oil mixture. Now just whisk this together until the cornstarch is completely dissolved. Toss this together with the mixed veg until lightly coated, and it's time to get cooking. I like that the Blaze Powerburner features a removable section of the grids designed perfectly to fit a wok. I'll start out by heating the rest of our oil mixture over medium heat. Then it's time to toss in our mixed veg. Feel free to add in any type of veg you'd like. My favorite blend has onions and bell peppers, broccoli and carrots, and some snap peas and baby corn. Saute the veg for about 5 minutes before adding the shrimp. Since we already boiled them, we don't want them to overcook. I'll deglaze my wok with a little soy sauce and give everything a few more flips for good measure. Once everything is good and hot, I like to garnish with some sesame seeds and chopped green onions. The short cook time of this dish keeps the veggies nice and crisp while still allowing the garlic and ginger mixture to infuse. Alright, it's time to plate this up. With such beautiful colors in this dish, it's sure to be a hit with your friends and family.